Resin 3D printing has come a long way, and picking the right machine can seriously make or break your results. In this video, we're breaking down 5 standout Resin 3D printers, from beginner-friendly picks to high-speed industrial beasts. If you're ready to level up your prints, stick around, because one of these is probably exactly what you need. All product links in the description below. Let's break down what makes each one special. If speed and precision are non-negotiable for you, the Heygears Amber screen might just blow your mind. This thing uses a custom composite screen with a 566:1 contrast ratio, which basically means crisper details and faster curing times than most printers in its class. Setup is ridiculously easy too, with true one-click slicing that detects and fixes model defects automatically, plus auto-leveling that corrects deviations down to 0.15 degrees. What really stands out is the intelligent force monitoring system, reading data 80 times per second to catch print failures before they ruin your job. Add in an industrial-grade Z-axis accurate to 2 microns, and you've got a machine built for people who take their prints seriously. This one's perfect for hobbyists graduating to more advanced work or small businesses running frequent print jobs. Customer support is solid too, with 24-hour response times. If you want speed without sacrificing quality, this deserves a serious look. Check the link below for current pricing and availability. Need to go big? The ELEGOO Jupiter 2 gives you a massive build volume, over 2.5 times larger than the Saturn IV, so you can print bigger objects or batch multiple pieces at once. The 16K resolution screen delivers stunningly true-to-life detail, and the fully enclosed light source means no leaks and consistently even exposure. What I love here is how smart this printer is, with multi-point auto-leveling smart tank heating that preheats to a precise 30 degrees, and an automated resin system so you never run dry mid-print. The built-in HDR camera lets you monitor prints remotely with time-lapse photography, and safety features like resin shortage alarms and power loss recovery give real peace of mind. With dual-band Wi-Fi and OTA updates, this is a genuinely modern machine. It's ideal for makers who want volume and reliability without babysitting every print. If big builds and smart features matter to you, the Jupiter 2 is worth every penny. New to resin printing, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K is exactly where you should start. It's compact, affordable, and genuinely beginner-friendly without cutting corners on quality. The 8K mono LCD screen with a 22-micron XY resolution captures incredible detail, so even your first prints will look impressive. Despite its small footprint, it handles a solid printing volume and supports up to 22 pounds of load capacity, giving you room to get creative. It plays nicely with popular slicers like Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango, so you're not locked into any one ecosystem. The precise Z-axis calibration keeps every layer consistent, which honestly matters more than people realize when you're learning the ropes. This printer strikes a great balance between price and performance, making it a no-brainer for anyone dipping their toes into resin printing for the first time. It won't overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity, but it also won't hold you back as your skills grow. If you're starting your 3D printing journey, this is a fantastic first machine. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is all about detail. With a 7-inch 10K screen and pixels measuring just 17 microns, this printer delivers a 105% boost in precision compared to its predecessor, meaning sharper, more dynamic models every single time. The light turbo matrix light source keeps exposure stable, and even reducing layer lines for that ultra-smooth surface finish everyone wants. The upgraded laser-engraved platform improves adhesion, so your prints stay put during the job, but still release easily once you're done. Leveling is refreshingly simple too, with a 4-point system that basically only needs to be done once. Power loss recovery means a random outage won't cost you hours of work. It's compact, reasonably priced, and clearly built for people who care about fine detail without wanting to deal with a complicated setup process. Whether you're making tabletop miniatures or detailed prototypes, this printer punches well above its price point. If crisp detail is your priority, The Photon Mono 4 won't disappoint. Rounding out our list is the Creality Halot X1 Combo, a printer that basically eliminates the headaches of resin printing. Its structural design ditches manual leveling entirely, so your build plate is fixed and ready right out of the box. The 16K screen delivers incredibly sharp prints at speeds up to 3 times faster than typical printers. What really sets this apart is the intelligent resin management system, which heats resin automatically, reads RFID tags to load the right settings, and even recycles leftover material through laser detection. 92 independent light zones optimize exposure zone by zone, extending screen life while boosting print quality. The dual linear rail, Z-axis, keeps positioning accurate to just 0.01 millimeters, and the twist-to-release build plate makes removing finished prints painless. This is a printer built for people who want professional results without constant fiddling. If convenience paired with genuine precision is what you're after, the Halot X1 Combo earns its spot on this list. So there you have it. 5 fantastic Resin 3D printers covering every budget and skill level. Hopefully this made your decision a little easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.